Do you have a variety of USB cables including USB micro, USB mini, and USB-C? When you need a cable, are you always picking up 3 or 4 cables to find the correct one with the connector you need? If you answered yes, you can solve this problem by purchasing colored electrical tape and grabbing your scissors. At the end of this video, I will show some colored electrical tape you can purchase on Amazon for under $5. Apply red tape to the end of every USB mini cable you have. Apply blue tape to the end of every USB-C cable you have. And apply yellow tape to the end of every USB micro cable. If you have other USB cables with different connectors, obtain additional colors of electrical tape. Now you can select the correct cable from a pile of USB cables on the first attempt using your color coding. Here's some colored electrical tape that you can purchase online from Amazon.com. Thank you for watching the video, and please consider giving it a like if you found it helpful, and also consider subscribing.